Alright, welcome to today's Lego City review. Today I will be reviewing the Lego City tow truck. Right here is the driver of the tow truck. Has a hat. Here are the accessories. Includes a wrench, a radio, an axe, and 2 warning lights. So I'm going to move those out of the way. Now the truck itself. On the front there's a big bumper, headlights. Right here's the hood. Here's the windshield. See, these are the doors that we're talking about for the last video. Here's your lights. I just added that antenna. Right here's the tow. It's operated by this right here. There's little things under, oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, anyway, there's little things under Legos that, well, you can tow it with. If you can't tow it, then, you can actually stick it under. Hold on. See, it's operated by that wrench right now. Right there's the storage compartment. On the other side, that's where the accessories go. Let's look at the inside now. Oh, I forgot to show you. Most important, tires. Right here is the seat and the steering wheel. Now that's something for the interior. And there are also stickers. One on the roof, on both sides, and on the hook, towing hook. It says focus camera. It says maximum 5 tons. That's what it means. So that's it for today's Lego City review on the tow truck. Get one last look at it. The accessories, the minifigure on the truck. And that's it.